GT Road Islamabad. GT Road Grand Trunk Road Islamabad is a historic and iconic highway that passes through the heart of Islamabad, Pakistan, stretching from the Margalla Hills to the Soan River and connecting the twin cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi, with a rich history dating back to the Mughal Empire and featuring a diverse range of landmarks, including the Margalla Hills, the Daman-e-Koh viewpoint, the Quaid-e-Azam University, the Pakistan Monument, and the Rawat Fort, making it a vibrant and bustling artery of commerce, culture, and tourism, and a symbol of national unity and progress. Here is a longer description. GT Road Islamabad, a legendary highway that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, is a living testament to the region's rich history and cultural heritage, stretching from the majestic Margalla Hills to the serene Soan River, and connecting the twin cities of Islamabad and Rawalpindi in a vibrant tapestry of commerce, culture, and tourism, with a diverse range of landmarks, including the iconic Margalla Hills, the breathtaking Daman-e-Koh viewpoint, the prestigious Quaid-e-Azam University, the majestic Pakistan Monument, and the ancient Rawat Fort, making GT Road Islamabad a symbol of national unity and progress, and a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to experience the beauty and splendor of Pakistan.